I have literally been playing with the numbers with this for years. But it wasn't until a few days ago, when I did something a little bit different, that I realized just how powerful the Affiliate Advertising Club compensation plan really is. Rather than giving you all the details and making you crunch the numbers yourself, I decided to make a short video that demonstrates this. You might want to make sure you're sitting down for this. I like to call this From Broke to Fortune. This comp plan example is geared around people who are poor or broke. You may not be this bad off yourself, but there are a lot of people out there who are. So show them this video, because it will prove to them that they don't have to have a lot of money to make a lot of money with this. And for the sake of this example, let's put you in that position. You're broke. Or maybe you're a Filipino or a Haitian and have no money. Can't afford to buy even a 10 traffic package. But you do know one person who is an affiliate marketer or a network marketer, and they need good quality traffic and buyer leads, or you're willing to go out and find one. So you start off with 0 out of pocket. You refer one person who starts with 200 in traffic packages with the intention of letting the ARP double it 6 times before taking anything out. Remember, everyone starts off at the affiliate rank of Pearl, earning 10% commissions. Now watch what happens. The first thing that happens is your referral, let's call him Jimmy, buys 200 in traffic packages. You instantly earn a 20 commission. Now you take that 20 and you buy a traffic package for yourself. The first time Jimmy's ARP position doubles, he earns 400. The auto repurchase immediately buys him 400 in traffic packages. You then earn a 40 commission. Soon after, that 20 purchase of yours from before doubles and pays 40. That's the yellow 40 you see there. It came from the yellow 20 above it. Auto repurchase immediately buys you a 40 traffic package. You manually purchase another 40 traffic package with the commissions you just earned. Now, every time Jimmy doubles his money again, you keep doing that. Use the commissions to buy traffic packages and let auto repurchase automate the rest. Now Jimmy's 800 purchase pays you 80. Your 2 previous 40 possessions pay out 80 each. Looking at the color code, you can follow which purchase is doubled and how many times. Jimmy's 3rd time doubling makes it 1,600, which gives you a 160 commission. Then number 4 for 3,200 and 320 for you. Then the 5th double for 6,400 and 640 for you. Now right before the 6th double, Jimmy turns off auto repurchase. Then it pays out 12,800 on the 6th double. Jimmy takes 800 out, 4 times his initial purchase amount. That leaves 12,000, which he then spends on traffic purchases and re-enables auto repurchase. At this point, assuming the ARP is taking 1 month to double our money, Jimmy would have a nice 12,000 a month income.
Imagine this. A single referral can lead you to a 6-figure income. Yes, you heard it right. With just 1 referral, you can make over $9,000 a month. Intriguing, isn't it? Let's dive into the details. Consider a scenario where Jimmy made a purchase of $12,000. This transaction, thanks to your referral, lands a cool $1,430 in your pocket as a commission. You might be scratching your head and thinking, shouldn't it be $1,200, as that's 10% of $12,000? Well, the answer lies in the magic of progression. The first $7,400 of Jimmy's purchase takes your total referral purchases to $20,000. This feat promotes you to the Ruby rank. You earn 10% on the first $7,400 and a whopping 15% on the remaining $4,600. Now imagine hitting the Diamond rank. With Jimmy's hefty purchases, you will soon be there. And once you do, each $12,000 purchase will net you a $2,400 commission each time. But that's not all. Remember those purchases you made with your commissions? You had 6 positions, each worth $640. Since $160 is the highest traffic package you can buy, you technically have 24 positions. Each time a $160 position pays out $320, the auto repurchase buys you 2 more positions of the same value. All of these doubled shortly after Jimmy's 6th double gave him $12,800. If you were to stop right there, you would have earned a total of $9,110 without spending a single penny from your pocket. And this is just with 1 referral. Reinvesting this income could land you a handsome 6-figure annual income. Think about what could happen if you had 2 referrals instead of 1. More than double the income, because reaching the Diamond rank would be quicker with 2 referrals. When was the last time you stumbled upon an opportunity where you could start with nothing, refer just one person and make over $9,000? It's a golden ticket to financial freedom, and it's right at your fingertips.